Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is much requested by a lot of my subscribers, and that is my ESALON hair coloring subscription box. Today we're gonna do my roots and avoid the light set or the balayage that I had put in my hair before, because I do want to use that for one more go before I update it. So this is what we're gonna be hanging out with and doing today. So let's get started. I love doing this kind of video because I feel like it's kill two birds, one stone. I have a video up for my channel. I can show you guys how to color your roots and avoiding the highlights that I have further down in my hair. But also I get to do it. So it's like one thing off my task list, because I honestly feel like coloring my hair is a task. So I did buy this cape from ESALON. So when you sign up for your subscription, you can add things like shampoo, conditioner, hair tint, capes, tools, all that stuff. So it's $12 full price, but when you add it to your subscription, you get 20% off of anything you add on. So really it's like under 10 bucks. Can't beat that. So I was reading on the internet that, and of course everything you read on the internet is like totally fact. But I was reading that it's best to color your roots with your hair like extra dirty. So I slept on my hair for 2 days, and I do have oily hair, so 2 days makes it extra dirty. I know some people can go a week and it look like this. This is honestly only 2 days. But you can see here, oh god, it's so embarrassing! Ooh, especially up there. So I do have a lot of grays in my hair, so when I signed up for my profile, they have you do a whole hair quiz. It's like, what color is it? What have you done to process it? What's the texture? What's your ethnicity? What color are you trying to get to? It's a whole quiz that you do. Once they do all that, you can upload photos. You select from images like this is me now, this is me now, this is me, Jessica. And then the picture of what you're kind of aiming for, and they'll give you some recommendations. And then there's an actual stylist, and this is based out of California, that'll review everything and kind of put together your mix. And if they have any questions, then they email you. I guess I was too dark and I was trying to go too light before, and they were like, nah, you're not gonna do that. You need to do this in steps. So I appreciated that they did that, because if I just went to the store and bought a box, my results are never what I want them to be, and I am incredibly happy with the service. I've been getting it since 2016. I've had 14 deliveries, I guess. There was a period of time where I didn't, because I colored my hair blue and they don't do vanity colors, but then I kicked it right back up afterwards, and I've had 11 adjustments. So I can tell them oh, too much, maybe not so much red, or maybe in the winter I want to go add a little bit more auburn to it, but in the summer I want to go a bit more ashy. You can make those adjustments and they do that for you. So super exciting. So it says my name on it. It says it's made for Chrissy Harless. When you open it up, you get your instructions, you get your developer and your color, and then the kit has everything you need and 2 pairs of gloves. And your instructions come, they are complete. They are amazing instructions. It tells you what your individual blend is and what is in your kit and what our focus is right now. It says it knows. The subscription knows that I have previously added the light set to my subscription, and so it's likely that I still have my highlights in my hair. So it says don't color your lightened pieces, focus on your roots. It's custom directions based on my history with the company. So another reason why I like it. Comes with a little sticker, so I'm gonna stick this over here to my monitor so I can see them. I stick it to a mirror generally, because I don't usually do this in my bedroom. It's very ballsy of me to do this in my bedroom and hope that I don't get it on my floor or on my comforter or something. The little kit is gonna come with one of their samples, I guess. I don't know, all kits come with this. Is the shampoo and the conditioner. I do suggest before you jump in the shower to rip the little tabs off the top, because it's a bitch to try to do it with your hands wet. Also comes with Stain Guard, which is a really pretty scented Vaseline, really, and then a stain remover for afterwards. First up, whenever you are coloring your hair, honestly, protect your skin, because then you'll be stained for days. Yeah, I go all over my forehead. I don't know what happens. Every time I color my hair, I end up with it across my cheek. It sometimes lands on my nose. I honestly have no freaking clue what the hell I do. Get your ears good, because your ears, like, I should probably take out my tunnels, but that looks creepy and I don't want to freak you guys out. I'm going everywhere. I get it everywhere. If you're like me, please let me know down in the comments so that I don't feel like a complete like disaster of a human being, because I put this all over my neck and basically like everywhere but the center of my face. Divide hair into 4 sections and secure with clips, and it shows you a cute little picture of the sections that it wants me to do. So I did get, and I do suggest getting this. You can add it to your first order. Like I said before, you get 20% off of anything that you do add to your order. So this is, it's a $20 kit. You would get it for $16. It comes with the coloring bowl, a timer, a brush. I really like to use the brush, and it comes with 4 of those, these are called something. I'm gonna call them banana clips, but that's not what they're called. Holy hell! Do you see those grays? So I did let my stylist know that I needed like the best gray coverage possible because they're stubborn. Like they'll color, and then the color on grays doesn't last as long as the color like maybe in the rest of my hair. Plus I always get like new grays sprouting up as well. And so that's probably a big part of it. But they did that the last few times. I said like I need the best gray coverage possible, and I've been really happy with the results. Ew! For bottle application, pour the color in to the bottle, and for bowl and brush application, mix it into a non-metallic bowl. I am just gonna use this because it's got a little pointed tip. I like it for this. I really only use the bowl when I do my light set and add the highlights into my hair. So we are gonna mix. I love it because it says Chrissy's color. It says roots only. So what's really neat about it though is that they don't penalize you for having long hair. So when like I'm doing my roots only, they'll send me 1 bottle. But when I need to do my, like if I was to email them and say I need to do my entire hair, I'm getting rid of my highlights, they would send me like a 2-bottle kit because they know that I have long hair, and it doesn't cost any more. It just comes in like a jumbo box, enough to do my entire head. So I absolutely love that I don't get penalized for having long hair. All right, now we get to begin. So it says, unclip one of the front sections, grab a thin slice of hair. Using your bottle or brush, apply color to roots and regrowth, then spread with fingers or fingertips, and keep away from overlapping onto previously colored hair. So I'm just focusing on my roots. So once I am done with a section, it wants me to swirl it up and reclip it and move on to the other section. When you're really trying to get rid of grays, you wanna focus on that first. So I am doing like the front part of my hair first. I probably have nearly 1 inch of growth, so that's what I'm gonna kind of be focused on. And I just put it in and then brush it. Take the other end of this little brush, flip it over. It's not the natural way my part goes, so it's fighting me. And then do the same thing. Okay, once I'm done with the section, I just make sure that I got like the color in the front. Jesus! I was doing that on my carpet. I just make sure that I get the color up front, that I didn't miss any of those like little flyaways. And I'm a bit more precise where I can see it in the top and like where my part is, and then I get a little bit messy at the bottom. And you know what? It has never failed me before. I am no professional hairstylist, but I don't have enough time and I'm too cheap for a salon. All right, so I'm gonna clip this up, but I'm gonna kind of avoid those highlights touching anything. There we go. And move on to the next side. Okay, so here's the hard part, and this is doing the back of your head. I tend to honestly like doing it rather than it being done in 2 sections. I kind of prefer doing it in just 1 section so that I can go straight across. That's what we're gonna do. And if you have a helper for this part, that's great. But I'm never gonna ask my husband to do this. So I just always do it on my own. Honestly, I don't have any problems doing it. And if I pull up too much hair, then I'm like, ah, that was too much, let me start over. But like, see, I just kind of grabbed a little section and pulled that up and hold it. Oh, I'm a disaster. Okay, it's not that hard to do. You can feel that your hair is dry, and when you squirt this on and start brushing, you can feel that you're in like the part line that you just did because like your skin is showing, like your scalp is showing. So you can definitely feel it. What I like to do after I'm done, especially with the back, is just to kind of like start underneath and massage my roots just so that I know that it got on all of my roots, but I won't run my hair, like my fingers all the way down. I just want to make sure that I got all of my roots, and then I'm like smearing it around a little bit. Like for my roots that we are going to wait 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna re-clip this up. Hey, I'm back and I am super stoked with my results. So let me get a little closer for you. But here's my roots. You can see now, no grays. Careful, but then you can also see that it maintained like the integrity of my highlights, or like my balayage technique that I did on myself. I think this is the 2nd color after. So you can choose, if you do the light set as an add-on to your color, you can choose to have it like every color, every other, every 3rd, every 4th, every 5th, something like that. I did mine where I went pretty high, like 1 inch from my scalp on a lot of my highlights, and now I'm just kind of like letting it grow out, and I like how it's looking. So I've kind of like determined that I guess that I want to do it every 3. So this was my 2nd color between. The very next one, I am going to touch up my hair color all over and then put in my highlights then again a week later. So I love it. Well, let me show you the back. I gotta scoot around my chair. There we go. I wouldn't recommend anything to you guys if I didn't absolutely love it, but then also find that it's a great deal. So this is a time saver for me as well as a money saver. Of course, going to the salon and getting an all over color, a root touch up, highlights, all that stuff, you can be well over $100 each visit. It also takes a lot of time, and I just don't have time. Like straight up, I don't have time. I also don't enjoy it. A lot of people do actually enjoy going to the salon and like hanging out there. Me, I'm like, I've got so much to do. I don't have time to sit here for hours just to get my color touched up. So this was super easy. It took me a maximum of like 15 minutes to apply and then 30 minutes to sit, and then I took my shower and styled my hair like normal, and I was done. I'm done for the day. Didn't need to leave my house. It is $20 a month. You pay $5.95 for shipping and handling. If you spend $40 because you're doing add-ons like the tools or the cape or shampoo, conditioner, root touch-up spray, they have like a multitude of things, combs and brushes and stuff in their store as well. If you hit $40, then you do get free shipping. But But outside of that, it's $20 for each time you request. I do 9 weeks. I know some people like to go a little bit longer, a little bit less, but for each coloring. And if you sign up with my link in the description box, then you'll get it for half off, so only $10 for your first coloring session, which is fantastic. That's cheaper than a lot of box dyes at the store, and you're getting a custom color. So, do you love it? Oh my god, I could be like Bailey Syrian. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to have it? She's like one of my other favorite channels. She just posted a video, and I'm definitely going to watch that while I'm editing this one. So I'm super excited to have you guys all here. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'm talking with my hands a lot, but I will see you guys next time. Bye!